Ui, Chur Whanau. Sup fams? And 99 that guy. That guy. Yo, much appreciated for the sub, bro. Damn, we just started. Travis Scott Burger is currently playing. Oh, that ad. I've been hit by the Travis Scott Burger too. But kia ora everyone, hope everyone's doing good. Another day for some carving. Chur you Margie. You Manji. Chur brother. Chur Joshua, how are you brother? The best streamer has returned. Nah, I'm more average. Early stream. Yeah, so Dave, I had to do a few things this morning, but if Dave was on, I thought I'd better start early instead of watching the very stream. So, yeah, here I am now. So, we'll get some work done soon. Usually I'm just catch up first. Posture check. Oh, okay. I'm already standing up, but okay. Hey, cheer Kiwi, bro. Cheer for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. It's all good. And Nathan. And Garnet. Oh, and Donnie. Happy birthday, Donnie. Happy birthday. And Owen Galaxy. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. He didn't have to, but much appreciated. Happy birthday, Donnie. My hard bro, Chur. Chur, my bro. Chur, Otter. Oh, is Maya here too? Jeez, he's early. Helix WD. Thank you very much for the sub too. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, brother. So yeah, we're just gonna catch up for now. Oh, Odeno, Cryptic, and Ghost Rick. Yo, thank you very much, guys, for the subs. Bro, you can look after yourselves. It's totally fine. No, happy birthday, Donnie. It's Donnie's birthday today, Whanau, so happy birthday, Donnie. Hey, Chur, there's a next. Chur Thunder. The Zent and Julius Fun. Holy cow. Jabatan, bruv dude. Oh, and here's bloody Joshua. Thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. The subs keep flooding king. Chur Fanta. Yeah. Team No Ears. Saliva? I think I said the right pass. I hope I did. Ikari and SDKF123. Holy cow, where's it all coming from? Mr. Poe, Neskimo, and Chinky Eye T Mitch. Holy cow. There you go. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna start now. Thank you guys for something. You don't have to. I better just start. Good morning. So that's all we're up to. Cheers, Donnie. Happy birthday once again. Must be nice being you, eh, Donnie? Celebrate your birthday with a lot of people. Let's go. Yeah, lucky all day, every day, Donnie. Please tell me you're getting KFC for your birthday. Codes, my birthday was on, oh, latest Joshua, it was on the 23rd, brother. My birthday's long gone, brother. That looks really awesome. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there, Whanau. So, I've got a piece of wood that got dropped off by my uncle, or my koro yesterday. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. Your birthday's on the 23rd? Yeah, last month. We're in October now. Saw a donut cake and it was quite epic. It was pretty nice too. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Yo, Thunder, Nacho emote win. Broxh, how's life, man? Yeah, it's been all good, bro. Just still gotta be mindful that Corona's still out there. But other than that, yeah, all good. I always forget you live in the future. Oh, so will it be the 30th for you now, Low Games? Supple said, first time here, I usually watch YouTube. Your woodworking is amazing. Thank you, the shooter. Thank you, my brother. Hopefully it gets better through time. Do you read Hero Academy? Yeah, I read the manga now and again. Not all the time though. I think the last one I read, Makia was on the rampage. But that's all I'm gonna say. Because we have fellow weebs here too. Oh. Hey, cheesecake. Hopefully by the end of the day we'll have an Archer emote if I'm not too busy. Eesh. I'll spam it in your channel, brother. How's your workload looking anyway, bro? You must be getting a lot of... Oh, mind you, you turned your commissions off, eh? Oh, you not taking any more, if I'm right. Bye, Fanta. Have a good one. Oh. As DK, yo, thank you very much for gifting us up, brother. Jeez, you didn't have to, my bro. Yeah, I want to make an Archer Libre and Anchorman one. Yeah. Those are gonna look mean. Wonder what it's gonna be. Wow, you got so much lines to choose from, me for your nacho one. You can have him holding an egg and give me no nutrients. The toast, his eagle dive. Ah, you got so much options to choose from. I'm taking a day off. Oh, all good. Yeah, someone said goodbye. Oh, thank you, my dear. This is hot. Thank you. What the f...
What? Donation?
No, someone gifted 100 subs. What the fuck? What the actual... What? Doggo 6'4". What? What the hell just happened? Alright, Doggo. I can't do 100 of these, but here you go, brother. Holy cow. We just started. I'm not ready for this. Oh. Okay. Fucking hell. Oh, you could have used that on you. Yo, Doggo 6'4". Thank you, brother. Holy cow. Bro, it's like magic is happening. Where are you, bro? Show me yourself in the chat. Bro, I don't know what made you want to do that, brother, but... Fuck you, man. Bro, I don't know what made you want to do that, but thank you, bro. honestly, you didn't have to do that at all, bro. I do not need it. Oh, jeez. I can't even carve properly. Fucking hell. Yeah, you don't need it. Could have given it to family. Oh fuck! Thank you, bro. I don't know what I did, but thank you, brother. Fucking hell. Sorry, I'm swearing, but how can you not? Nathan Rogue, thank you for gifting a sub, brother. You didn't have to. Much appreciated. Fuck, doggo. Stupid Flanders. I see what you did there. Thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Yeah, I'd better do some hair flicks for the bro. Stupid Flanders. Hold on, funny. I'll just do this and then I'll do it. Oh, fuck. Teary eyes. Okay. Oh, bloody hell, doggo. I'm so good at dodging gifted subs. Oh, come on, man. Deep down, you know you wanted one. Don't lie. Just tell the truth. Green 98, he is from New Zealand. Oh, yeah, I'm from Aotearoa. Yeah. Also, your work is beautiful. That's alright. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm my own biggest critic, whānau. You good? Woo. Far out. Cheers, doggo. Fucking hell. I don't even know what to say, brother. Other than thank you. Far out. Hold on, whānau, this time I hear. Do it on the side, because if I put my arms any higher, my guts will show. And I don't think anyone wants to see that. Who's woodcarving nacho libre? Where's your rope? It was stinky. But these are my recreation clothes. Doggo for doggo. As C's would say, on the bird chest. Roper King. Yo, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to. Just make sure you use your money on yourself. Good to see you on, man. Your work's looking fresh too, Benjo. Hey, thanks, brother. Yeah, it's alright. Ayambaya, Koloraya, Antinkaya. This is my temple, the whole wide world. Hey, Woks, how are you, man? I'm good. I'm a bit shook at the moment, but yeah, I'm good, brother. Thanks for asking. Derek and Victor. Nice. Stupid birds. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Yeah, I thought I better start early since I've been watching Dave's streams first before I start my day. But yeah, I said I was going to start earlier today, regardless if he was on or not, and then I'll just watch the VOD in my own time. Fuck, thank you, doggo. What a bloody legend. Uzi, thank you very much, Uzi. What time is it in NZ? It's 5 to 11. It's my first time in one of your streams. I see videos of you and I like it, bro. You're so good. Chur Whanau King. Oh, I'm alright, brother. Yeah. Thanks for that, brother. Did you use Twitch soundcheck these coming? Probably not. I don't even know. If they got no Bob Marley or any music that I like, then I probably won't use it. Just stick to it's YouTube music. Subscribe now to get a free subscription. Concrete Jungle, you're awesome. Hey, cheers, brother. I said a concrete jungle, what do you got for me now? Oh, concrete jungle. Thank you for the bits too, brother. Cheza Dilly. I'm not gonna say it, but thank you very much, bro. Loved your newest Instagram post, brother. Yeah, so I found my first ever carving yesterday. I went to go and visit my mum, see how she was. And because we had stored some old baby's clothes there when she was born, and since we got a newborn coming on the way, you can see what's good and what isn't. Yeah, save money, use what you already have. Oh, posture check already. Okay. But yeah, I ended up finding my first ever carving that I did when I was 12. Brought back a lot of memories, like a lot of memories back when I was at home and at school. Like my first piece I ever did with my uncle. And the design itself is called rape rape, so it can represent many different things, from your fingerprint to like throwing a rock into the water and the ripples that cascade out can represent that too. It all depends on what you want it to be, really. Can we see it? It's on my Instagram. I don't have it with me. It stays with my mum. She's been looking after it, well, since I left home when I was 17, and it's pretty much hers. I finished it with a shoe polish, different stain. It was a charming piece, but charmed, I'm sure. Thank you, Fanta. Okay. Let me just flex my Father's Day cup. Are you selling any of your carvings? I usually do it like commission style. I mean, I have sold some, but yeah, it'll be... So this is the way I like to do things. I don't want to online shop. I'd rather like talk to you guys, get a connection going, and yeah, just so the piece feels more special when you get it. Chur infected mushroom. R7 relic. Nah, it's probably just... So it can be a number of factors, people that like joined the hype at the time and I was going viral. Yeah. People who turn up. It's just a number. Do you sign your carvings so people... Yeah, I've always put my signature on my carvings. So with all the ones I do here, I'll put, my Twitch name. But even another like signature is that like the characteristics I do as well. But yeah, I'll definitely put my name on them. Definitely. So when people are flexing their ducky keyboards, they can go, oh, I got a carving from Broxh. It'll last longer. Can't rage it. Nah. It's very late here, but I don't want to go, man. Your health is more important, man. Have a good sleep. There's always going to be another day. Let me just get rid of all these Discord ones. Jeez, so many. Where can I buy one? So I don't mass produce, bro. I would like to mass produce, and then we can have a bit of a staining stream. Just the idea I had yesterday. You can, but you risk your ancestors raging back at you. Yeah. Hey, Chur Kobe. Shout out from Wisconsin, bro. Chur, the real slacky. Wisconsin, eh? So didn't the NBA finals start today, bro? Hello from Scotland. Sir Flukes a lot. Hey, brother. So, like I was saying before, as you can see, the gaps here are quite big. So this one here is quite wide, and this one's quite small. If you want me to shave it down and recorrect it, I will, I don't mind. Or you just want me to leave it there just to give it a bit of character. It's about, just leave the mistake there. All good. What do you reckon? Tonight, bro, Lash go. Hey. Who are you going for, brother? Oh, no. No doubt it'll be the Lakers. Yeah, I'll leave it in, eh? Yeah, sweet as. Cool. That means we can carry on, chat. So I was having a few ideas last night, bros. Thunder, that there's something to paint. Bro, those paints ain't cheap, eh? But I got some. I might try and attempt it painting Thunder Bluff, but from the bottom, like it'll have a hill. Ghosty though, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. The Paper Boy, thank you for the bits as well. And ACP hitting us with a Doge biddy as well. Much appreciated, guys. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. I need to go to sleep because of time zones. I'll probably watch the VOD tomorrow. Much love and hope the stream goes well. Cheer, gamer. You have a good one, brother. Go Lakers. Yeah, I'll probably go Lakers just because Kobe, eh? Nathan Rogue, thank you very much for gifting a sub. You didn't have to, but thank you very much. Okay, so we've got to cut that row in, which is the Pakatika going that way. Okay. How are we going to do this? I'll turn it that way. Mr. Imposter. It is a good life. Fantasy has ended. All the children are gone. Something good inside me helps me to carry on. I ate some buds, I ate some grass. I use my hand to wipe my tears, to kiss your mouth, I'd break my vow. No, 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 no way, Jose. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Encarnación, 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 doodly, encarnación. They're ready for you. I was singing it last night out thunder and the missus goes, fucking thunder. Anonymous gifter. Oh, who are you, Anonymous? You should tell us your name, man, so we can acknowledge you. But thank you, Anonymous. I'll happily listen to this man as I sleep. You are getting really sleepy. You can see a fence in the middle of a paddock. Now you start counting the sheep. And now a cow comes along. Now they say because of all the global warming and the big ozone layer, hole in the ozone layer, it was a cow that broke it. Need a Jack Black and Broxh collab. Oh. I'm glad Mrs. Broxh knows how I feel. Yeah, she hates it when I get started on something because I don't stop. She's like, piss off and go sing that in Tauranga. That's why when I can sing it here. Hey, Kaike. Everyone else gotta love daylight savings times now. Stream is early now for us in Europe. Oh, Chur, brother. That's good. ACP, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to. 3 subs were me. I accidentally put on Anonymous. Ah, thank you. Examine. I'd have that Nacho song stuck in my head for the last 3 days. It's a good song though, eh? But Ramses does not sing. He doesn't. Oh, Ramses does not dance. He does not dance at the party. I was trying to learn that one last night. You go, what, me? Sing? Okay. But Ramses does not sing. He does not sing at the party. Hey, at least I didn't get a bottle thrown at you like another mod did. So I got gummy bear stuck in my head for the last stream. Oh! 'Cause I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Did something something gummy bear. My daughter used to love that song. Oh, bro, you don't have to give subs, brother. Just come and watch. Thank you, though. Much appreciated. Takarese. How much to get your art to Canada? Doggo. I wouldn't have a clue how much it would cost, but bro, DM me, and we'll sort something out. Might have to add a 6th person to the list just because of what you did. Gotta acknowledge it. Fuck, because that's a lot, bro. My niece also loves that song. She's a happiness machine. Ah, that's cool. Hey, kia ora, Ryan. Bro, where's the toast? I'm actually not eating any carbs, so it's actually just a quote from Nacho. I think I chose the wrong one to use. Everything you just mentioned? My favourite thing to do. I just want to support you. I haven't been here since I started back at school, so I wanted to treat you. You started back at school. You shouldn't be treating me at all, my dude. Save it for you. Save your money, bro. Do you have any NBA final predictions? I'll just say the Lakers win. That's all. Just because I've been a big fan of Kobe since I discovered basketball when I was a kid. Now I need to watch that movie, but I wanna do a watch party, but you need that Prime thingy. So we might have to stream it on the Discord one day. What do you reckon? Oh, if someone can stream it for us on the Discord, because my net might be a bit trash. Have a movie night this weekend, maybe. Oh, doggo. Thank you, doggo. Much appreciated, brother, but that's enough, brother. Thank you. Much appreciated. Yeah, we'll talk after stream, brother, and see what I can do just for what you did. Where do I buy those donuts you got for your birthday? The baked ones or the Dunkin' Donut ones? If you want, I'll just buy some baked ones here and bring them over. I've got Amazon Prime, I'll suss it out today. Eesh. We'll go to Thunder's stream. How does that sound, whānau? We'll go and watch Nacho Libre at Thunder Punch's stream. Greetings from Denmark, very impressive work. Hi, Skygen DK. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, it's a work in progress, it always will be. Definitely coming back to NZ after this whole pandemic goes down. We really miss everything. Kaike, let me know then, if you've ever come to Rotorua. Yeah, I'll be keen to meet anyone. Broxh is on his diet for now to save it after he finishes. Yeah, so at the moment, so I jumped on the scale this morning, so I was 129.3. Lost 5 kgs. I think the heaviest I've been is almost 140. Big boy. I'm singing at the party. From Ireland, I know it was the other day, but still. Thank you very much, brother. I still appreciate it nonetheless, my bro. I am 29. Besides the Discord, Nacho. So who all plays WoW in here? We should get a big group photo on WoW too before Shadowlands. Because there's cross realm, eh? Because I play on Frostborn, I believe. It's on the US side. Apologies to our EU whānau. If I'm sure you can, like... Can you still make a trial character if, you just go to EU, but everyone can still see you? Because I know the bro Mahalo, he's on the EU service. Shadowlands needs to hurry up. Yeah. I still think it's not ready, but looking forward to it either way. I'll still play the damn game regardless if it's ready or not. I'm probably gonna make my warrior go to... I don't really care about like where your class should go. I'm just gonna take my warrior to Maldraxxus. My shaman... Where will my shaman go? I don't want to double up on covenants. I just got into it over COVID, maxed out a character. Nice, brother! EU-US service. Okay, yeah, we'll do that, eh? So I've already chosen I have to play my warrior, even though, like, Horde isn't really big in OCE. It's, which is something I don't like about it, but oh well. Regardless, I'm gonna play the Horde, my warrior. But I've been playing on the alliance with the Bro Panda, and I have a enhanced shaman and a pally now. Thank you, Cutters, for the sub, man. Sonic, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch, bro. What level is your warrior? It's 120. I got a Horde shaman named Shaquille O'Heal. I confused. Played this guy for a while. Oh, 2, brother. That's a pretty cool name. Lost Wookie. Yo, Lost Wookie, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. But much appreciated, my bro. Hope you like what I get up to. When those markets on, my bro. I think they're on this weekend because there's like an AMP show here. Like we're gonna go for a check. We were supposed to go last weekend, but it wasn't on. I'll go and look for some ponchos, bro. So these are all good, these are clean, here, so we can start cutting out these pakatis now. How are you not verified on Instagram? What? Oh, I don't know. Must be because yeah. Oh, I don't even know, brother. I see a lot of people moaning that why they don't have their blue tick on Twitter. I was like, do you really need it to be a good person? Do you really need it to do what you do? Better the money goes to you than some useless junk that I buy. Oh, Sonic. Never know. You might buy you like a pack of Pokemon cards. You could pull a shiny Charizard and that could triple your money. Nah, but thank you, brother. T-Shaman and Warlock Snacks. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. But nah, mihi. Thank you very much. Damn, I came here for the positive video, but the first words I hear is thanks for the sub. You didn't have to say positive and kind. I just want people to look after themselves first. It's Mick. Thank you very much for the sub as well. You didn't have to either, but much appreciated. You got any thoughts on the new COD Zombies trailer? To be honest, I didn't even play COD, but COD and Fortnite. Yeah, nah, I don't even play Valorant either. The new Crash Bandicoot is going to be way better. Oh yeah, that new trailer for God's Fall looks pretty good, eh? Did you see that? Cobb Cheese, thank you for subbing too. You didn't have to as well, brother, but much appreciated. What time is it over there? It's 18 minutes past 11 o'clock in the morning. You're talented. Henry the First. I am average. Yeah, so that's the only game I'm waiting for at the moment. Crash Bandicoot and Assassin's Creed. Which remind... Examine, bro. Thank you, brother. You don't have to do that. Bloody no ears. Much appreciated, brother. Holy shit. Thank you, Examine. No, I can't hear what you're saying. You cheeky bugger. Summer, winter, spring and fall. How often do you sharpen your tools? Like once every 3 weeks? This guy's a master. Oh, far from it, brother. Far from it. This is pretty much like $5,000. I don't really like to talk about the price of my carvings, but yeah. The way I price it is just do it for how much my other Poupous, like similar to this one, have sold for. Yeah. That's how I do it. Hope to make you proud. You picking for finals. What's this one for? Appendix? NBA, brother. It's one of the C90s kids. Anyway, super excited for Crash. Been over 10 years since the new game. Been a long time coming. Yeah, Craig. I'm pretty much excited for it, eh? Oh, you chased us. Sorry, brother. I was looking at my carving. Can we get a shout out for you, Joyce? Maya already done it. Sorry, bro. Smithy, thank you very much for your sub, man. Much appreciated, and you didn't have to though, brother. NBA Finals. I'm probably just gonna go with the Lakers, brother, because the Mumbai. I heard you're the nicest person on Twitch. Nah. There's a lot of nice people on here. Just gotta find them. If you want to find one, Mr. Chen Chen. Who else? Thunder, he's a nice dude. He can bust out quotes anyway, checking out my emote. Crazy that your PM came on stream, not from Australia. Yeah, she's cool. She was pretty cool. David's the door guy. Damn, he threw 420 through corgis at us. Holy demon. Thank you, brother. I'm making coffee. No, I thought you already done the shout out because you're fast, but Fanta beat you. Any updates regarding merch? Nah, nothing at the moment, brother. Why does your voice remind me of Korg? Oh, hey man, I don't know. I'm kinda like the leader around here. You know why I'm the leader around here? Because I'm the only one that's streaming on this specific channel. So I'm pretty much the leader of myself. But yeah, we printed a few pamphlets out, but no one turned up. Other than my mum's boyfriend, who I hate. How was your stream, brother? Chur Whanau, can we go through and give Huge a follow? Oh, my name's Korg. I'm part of the No Dad gang. First time catching you live because of the time difference. Love from the UK. Gee, frosty towel. Ooh, that'll be pretty cold on the old gonad too. And Broxh is really coming along great. Thank you, the wretched NA. Much appreciated, brother. Okay. Let me try this. Kui Gon Jian? No, I hope I bloody said that right, brother. Much appreciated, man. Still having trouble with Noob Master. Oh, we don't say that name around here. We don't play Fortnite around here. Oh, Sparkling W. That was Sparkling W. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome to the channel. Welcome everyone from your community. Kia ora everyone. So kia ora is our way of saying hello in my native language, Maori language. Or in slang we just say chur. Hope you had a good stream. And this is what I love to do, traditional Maori wood carving. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. But how was your stream? Hey, do you know what to make, or do you just go with it? Pickles, I know what I'm making. I want to do a carving where I just go with the flow though. That'll be a good challenge. Can't hear, you might have to speak louder. This guy. Nah, it's so when I tell people not to sub and they carry on doing it, I just say they got no bloody ears. So he's playing that off. It's like John Cena, but instead of can't see, can't hear. You in Hawaii? Nah, brother. Can you make a Twitch logo one day? Yeah, I plan to. Actually plan to do a Twitch logo. We break our vows together. Get to know you, see, mate. Incarnasi, ho 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 ho. Incarnasi, yo, diddly. I'll stop now, brother. But maybe another day. No. No need for another day. Just come and watch. His picture should just be him as Nacho. No. Since you say that almost every stream. So I can get a carving. Nice Morse code. It'll be free as well, bro. Who gets it? I do not know. So I'm just trying to fix up these notches. That's all we'll be up to today, just finishing these. And then we'll take a look at it once again. Hey JT! Snake past me, eh? Oh, and Uncle Roadworks is here. Do you not realise I've had diarrhea since Easter's? Maybe I don't like this duty. Cooking duty. Dead guy duty. Maybe it's time for me to have a better duty. Should be close to 1.3. Oh, I don't even know, brother. I don't even look at the numbers. Hey, cheer, plastic. Cheer, my bro. Big Papa Ryu, kia ora, bro. Haven't seen this guy in a while. Hey, Sal. Yeah, I'm finishing it, really. Chris Gray, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to though, brother. Any suggestions on what I should build for a construction project? Basically anything out of wood. What would be cool to make? What if? So if you had like wooden shelves. So you had like wooden shelves, and then you had like a steel frame, and they're up on the wall, and then you pull it out, and all the shelves will like come down into a table What about that? That'll be cool. And it can be like saving space and all that, but also look like a cool ass shelf that can like be pulled down into a table. Hand lever, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Can you put in a good word for me if I should move to NZ? I'll try, brother. Chur Whanau. Yeah, that'll be cool if you I almost knocked that off. If you did something like that. Could be outside, could be inside, could be a nice summer barbecue table. And when you finish your dinner, you can put your pot plants back on. You can have those viney ones and they grow like down. Those would be cool. Hey Los Aku. Is it hard to find continuous inspiration for projects, or is it something that comes naturally? Greenleaf Ghost. So basically, this has been pretty much passed down from my ancestors, brother, and by there's years and years of inspiration, generations of years. It never really like runs out, if that makes sense. True, Lux Lad. I think I know what you're talking about, but I'm not 100% sure. Like the shelf thing I was talking about, brother. Yeah, that'll be cool. Nah, that's just me, because I'm not really a fan of a cluttered house. I'm all about the open space. Have you done any carvings for marae? Jezza, mate. Yeah, I have, brother. I took the stream there. Jeez, must have been a few months ago now. And showed them 2 of the carvings I was a part of for this particular marae or wharenui. So this is pretty much the section we have to finish off here, and then prep the teeth. I'll cut them out a bit more, and then we move on. See how we get from there. Heads up, I will not be on tomorrow because I have my niece over, and I hardly ever get to see her, and I've really been missing her these last few weeks or months. Who was that? The box, this looks amazing. Do what you're doing. Thank you, brother. I'll keep doing my best. Okay. No, no, from Belgium. Hey, good night, brother. What's your favourite, least favourite Maori? My favourite and my least favourite. Yeah, I'm a fan of All Might too. My least favourite. Geez, I've never really thought of it like that, eh? My least favourite hero. Who would be my least favourite? I don't actually know, brother, who my least favourite would be. What am I supposed to do? Hang out with my family? Oh. Rogue, you should have been there before. I did some just cause for Doggo. If you don't want to use points, just go to YouTube. There's like a video there. Okay, I'll be back soon. I just gotta put my coffee cup back inside. Oh, what a night. Late December back in 63. Finally made it to a stream. Oh, bloody late over there, brother. No, but it's fine. I don't have work tomorrow. Oh, lucky. My girlfriend has told me to say kia ora, frosty tail. Yeah. Kia ora to you and your partner, brother. How's it going, bro? Thriller Gorilla. All good, I hope. Too, bro. Yeah, all good, brother. Thanks for asking, my bro. Dude, you are helping me through depression, brother. Thanks for the positive vibes. Sure, noob Viking. Just come join us, bro. That's what I'm here for. When will you be streaming next? I'll try and get one in on Saturday, depending if... So I'm actually, because I have my niece here, my brother-in-law's expecting us to drop her off on Friday, tomorrow. But I might just be that uncle and, nah, she's staying with me for the weekend. Where can I buy some of your handmade stuff? You'll have to jump in the commission list, brother. That's how I do it. More fitting for this type of stream. Oh, bro, just... When I started, bro, the chat was moving so bloody fast I couldn't keep up with it, eh? I guess it's just all the people there were, like, following the hype at the time. But, yeah, it's died down now, which is quite good. I don't really need big numbers to have fun. Little chat number. Why don't you start so you can give me back Pokeballs? Oh, do you need some Pokeballs, brother? Did you get my gift this morning on Pokemon Go? I sent you one while we were doing shopping. How long have you been working on this piece for? Well over 2 weeks now, I would say. I think. Sorry, no music yet, Whanau, it's charging up. I put the iPad on the charger, but guess he forgot to turn the plug on. I heard you had 8,000. Yeah, super typhoon. Man, I found it really hard to keep up with it, eh? It was quite stressful. I don't know how streamers cope with that much people talking. But I guess they've done it for so long, eh? And they're just used to it, I guess. Yeah, I'm trying to save Pokeballs because at the moment it's a good effort. Oh, yeah. I'm not really worried about numbers as long as people are talking to me, all good. I'd rather have a little bit of people like you guys here having in-depth conversations about food than 8,000 views that's speaking fast and I don't know what they were saying. But either way, I was grateful for the experience. Made me learn how to talk to heaps of people, that's for sure. Chur organ remover. Ooh, you remind me of that dude on Shortland Street. Much appreciated, organ mover. McDivvy. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, though. Okay, so favourite barbecue, go. Any barbecue with a lot of food. Preferably meat. With the odd surimi. Oh, surimi, man. My father-in-law's brother, he makes a pretty good seafood chowder. Because he had spices in that too, and oh man, it's probably the best chowder I've ever tried. Ocean capybara. Hey, oceanic capybara. That's the biggest rodent in the world, eh? A capybara. My mother watches Shortland Street as well. Always here watching it. Yeah, bro. I was just watching it because it's the juicy dramas at the moment. Or Curtis. Oh, Sam Huddle. Thank you very much, Sam Huddle, for the sub, my dude. Much appreciated. I love that you have World of Warcraft notifications. Yeah, been a big fan of WoW since Warcraft 3, brother. So, when I was young, so how I got into Warcraft, we only had like this one laptop at my primary school that had the Warcraft demo on it when you played the epilogue as Thrall, learning like what to do and whatnot. And I pretty much played that every day when we had like computers, and then we had like free time to do whatever we wanted. And then when I discovered YouTube, I was like watching the whole Horde campaign, because we still only had the demo. I didn't start playing World of Warcraft till I was like 17. And I still didn't know what the bloody hell I was doing. Hey, Jiggy. Cheers, Zanux, for the resub. You didn't have to, bro. Well, much appreciated, my bro. And Busty? Is that your name, bro? Thank you, my bro. Bro, salmon is good. Watching from bed in Melbourne, mate. Love your stuff, Kaka. Gee, wood weirdo. You stay safe over there, brother. I hear it's starting to die down now. From the bro Fanta. I was playing Warcraft 3 Reforged like a few weeks ago, just reliving the nostalgia. I remember getting into Age of Empires. Yeah, bro, that was a good one too. I remember in the Nutrigrain cereal we have here, you got like Tony Hawk's one. That was pretty cool. Cheer, Tom. Oh, and you subbed it, bloody hell, brother. Thank you, my bro. You didn't have to, though. Okay, so we'll finish this row. We might be streaming from a different location next week, because I just had a talk to Mrs. Broxh and our real estate, our landlord. Got a few sparkies to come in, and the wiring's very old in the house we live in. I mean, it's not the best house, but yeah, it might take 1 to 2 days to rewire the whole damn place. Hello from Ontario, Canada. Hello, brother. Has met. Thank you very much for subbing, man. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. Hey, cheer, Captain Squizzles. Hope you're doing well, bro. Especially your hand too. Hope it's recovering well. What's your favourite well moments? My favourite well moments. Like in World of Warcraft or just in general? Man, that's a hard one, eh? Like outside of the game was probably Broxh, so where I decided to get my name from. Since we won the Stanley Cup. Oh, nice, brother. Are you from Polynesia? Yeah, I'm Maori from Aotearoa. Yeah, the hand is all good, just waiting for the swelling to go down, but no pain. Nice, brother. Yeah, take it easy. Take it easy. It's good to hear though, bro. That over there is a crazy lady. My life is good. Oh, this is really amazing. We're getting there. Could be better, but I'll... NHL Championship. That's ice hockey, eh? Polynesia, kick W. Oh, what's funny about that? Sorry, mods, had to be a bit of a nosy. And is barrelwood treasured in Maori culture? And if so, have you ever carved it? Nah, not yet, brother, not yet. In the pursuit of perfection, you achieve greatness, brother. Thanks, brother. Yeah, hopefully it's perfect someday. In my eyes. Until then, we carry on. Starting to get cold here. Nice. I thought NHL was National Hat League. Oh, I don't know. I think it's hockey. Are the Mighty Ducks still any good? That's how long I haven't really watched any of it. Or is it even ice hockey? Am I wrong? Are they even called the Mighty Ducks anymore? Yeah, Noob Viking. So this is what you want to search up. So I'll type it in chat. So this is a tree you want to search up. So I put the name in the chat. Search that tree up, brother. It's one of the biggest Cody trees we have here. The Mighty Ducks was a hockey movie. You had the Anaheim ones or something. Weren't they from Anaheim? If that's the name of the place they're from. I love that film. Yeah, it was pretty cool, eh? Especially that guy that was like in the alleyway and he was practicing his hard ass shot. And then he gets it on the movie and you can see that guy's saw his hand. Skeledoo. Cheers, Skeledoo, for the sub. You didn't have to there, brother, but much appreciated. The Ducks. Oh, true. 31 teams last season. True. They're still going. Yeah, we're not exporting anything out of our country at the moment, brother. Just what's going on around the world. These are looking much better. I like your egg command. Fulton Reed, the Bash Brothers. Oh, is that his name? Yeah, I like that part when he goes for that shot and buck! It's a sore hand. Hey, Chur Whanau. Must be morning for you guys over there. Or like 10 or something. What is an egg? So an egg is like a New Zealand term, slang we use here. So don't be an egg man. Don't be a troll. Just don't be a dick in the chat, really. I'm thinking of incorporating another word. We call people with that kind of behaviour a teats. Don't be a teats. Don't be a teats camp. Keep up the good work, brother. Thank you, master. I'll do my best, my bro. Okay, our iPad might be charged, so we can play some music or some ambient background music. One moment. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Encarnación, encarnación. Surely I won't get DMCA'd for this.
Can I sing it for you? Sure.
Nah, I better not, eh? Might get a bit of a strike. No, I can't play running, so just leave that there. I just realised now it's October. Yep. Hey, Darima. Cheer my bro. Gotta drag this can too. Don't be a teats can. Yeah, so I see Twitch is trying to do something about the music situation. Whether they get the music that I like is something I'll be looking at. Otherwise I probably won't use it. Yeah, so I see even big streamers, like they still play like any music, and like, damn. Y'all know the lizard people? Is that why you can play it? Or they just don't give a feck? Would you rather hands for feet or feet for hands? So you have 4 hands and 4 feet. I don't know, as long as I can carve, I don't really care. Keep up and keep spreading the love. Cheer, Rampage Ray. Cheer, brother. Thank you, brother. Yeah, but they can't mute clips, that's how the bro got pinged. Panda. From 11 years ago. I was like, frickin' hell, they go back that far. So if they don't have Bob Marley or any did music, I won't even bother. Love the music, man. Thanks, brother. Wonder if Rudism's still playing Zelda with his ocarina thing. Yeah, I'm kind of confused with this whole DMCA stuff now. Yeah, it's annoying, eh? Just give us a list, man. Wait, did someone raid us? Host us? Are these sold? Yeah, pretty much. Did someone raid us? All I see is DMCA. I made a kalimba with my son today. It was fun. What's a kalimba, brother, if you don't mind me asking? Sounds interesting. Yeah, I just want to jam some old school shit. Yeah, hard. Just give us what we want. Oh, it's all good. Doesn't matter if it's one view, it's the thought that counts. Yeah, that's super. I just want to tell Twitch, just let me carve and listen to ABBA. Or the Bee Gees without worry. Maybe if they get any of the songs from Guardians of the Galaxy, I won't mind. A wooden instrument. Oh, gee. ABBA's low-key the shit, eh? Yeah, hard. Real hype music. What's another cool song? Dancing Queen. Woo! When music was actually good. These days it's I'm gonna kiss this girl, but then I wanna kiss that girl. And I'm just gonna do a few dance moves and kiss that girl. Hey, Clutchy. Cheer, brother. You watch much sport, brother? No, brother. I actually don't watch much TV. What's the most sportiest thing I've ever watched? Rugby season's over, so yeah, that's probably the last thing I watched. What's another hype band? The Little Lion Band? Cause it was not your fault but mine. That banjo is hype, man. Because we were talking about it yesterday, I was like, yeah, like Guardians of the Galaxy's playlist is pretty hype. I haven't watched TV in 4 years. Damn, flexing on us. Sonic, no, I haven't seen that anime, but I don't really watch much. I like what I'm watching at the moment is just go to high school with the bros. And the sis. Makes me want to start carving myself to carve my favourite characters. I mean, Ugly Waffles, nothing's stopping you, man. Do you like Hawaiian reggae? Yeah, definitely. I don't know if you can play it though, that's the thing. Mumford and Sounds are great. Yeah, who else is cool? That dude that sings Budapest? I ain't no Budapest, yo. Locking me treasure tears. Ooh, no. I give it all. Give me one good reason why I shall never make a change. He's the man. Like, even Drake's project, I jammed them. And obviously, where they're from. Gotta represent them. George Ezra, yeah, he's the man. He's got a cool voice. Who's another one? Teeks, he's from here. Teeks is another cool NZ artist that I like to listen to. Who else? Man, there's so many, eh? Oh yeah, nah, chill, bro. The goat. I'm no goat, brother. Haha, pickaxe go gobber. Thank you very much, man, for the sub, my dude. Kalohekai, yeah, they're mean. I like green too. It's just the thing is, I don't know if I can play them because they might be under a label or I might get DMCA'd and all that. Some other reggae bands I like. Chronics, they're cool. Well, everybody got their struggle. Can't forget good old Fleetwood Mac. Yeah, brother. Looks good, man. Thank you, brother. Just the man. Thank you very much for subbing, man. Haven't listened to Rag and Bone? No, brother. I'm listening to LAB thanks to you. Nice, brother. You like it? So rare that I catch a stream. Welcome, brother. Heck, D-Seed, how am I? Yeah, I'm all good. But on the hungry side, but yeah, I'm all good. I think Mrs. Broxh will make my lunch soon. And it'll be gone in a matter of seconds when I get my hands on it. I don't want to eat in front of the stream because I just hate people watching me eat. Kind of saw them live last year. True, Devlin. Whereabouts, brother? Yeah, Catch a Fire is mean too. Be mean if I could play every NZ reggae band, but that's the thing. I don't know. What's for lunch? Just bacon and eggs. Just get those fats in. So I'm not eating carbs for like 10 days. Just so carb depleting, and then what that does to my body, it switches over as to find another energy source, and it happens to be fat, which I have a lot of. Is the stream title a reference to Nacho Libre? Yeah, brother. I was wondering if you would like to join me in my quarters for some toast. How do you feel after no carbs? Oh, you just feel flushed out, eh? Like I've already lost like 5 kgs. I think roughly. That's how it feels. Where are you from? Aotearoa, brother. How do you meet Quinn69, mate? I'll tell you when I meet him. I don't know, I just gotta... wonder how tall he is. Guess I just gotta look for a guy at a Poe con or whatever. Just looking for a guy that's going Ree! Or just a guy with a Kinabaldi and a ginger mustache. Guess those are the things I gotta look out for. Gotta shoot it for a little bit, be back soon. All good, brother. Hello from Russia. D4R, thank you, brother. Thanks for the translation too, bro. Okay, let's get this done. I'll get this side prepped. So I'm gonna do the rest of these. Sorry, I'm gonna look away from the chat for a few minutes. Well, not even that, really. Hey, Chur Jigsaw. Oh, Yeti boy. Oh, Yeet boy. Cheer, brother. Another chill stream. Thanks for spending your time with us. Oh, all good, Joe Eddie. Happy to. Raining as well. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, guys. Okay, now I've got the cut. You like working outside or in a shop more? Maybe work in a shed, clothes shed in winter, outside in summer. But at the moment this is as good as it gets. Oh, that one. Fella chicken. Oh, beast mode. Yo, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Too many jiggies. Much appreciated, man. Okay, here you go. Okay, let's fix these all up, even them out. Has any of your work been snapped or broken while you have been working on? Yeah, bro, one of them, but it's the power of super glue, eh? Yeah, and it's still sold. Like, told the person I dropped it, it's got a snap thing. It's like, I seen you glue back together, I want it. So, oh, whatever then. 3.5 later. That was a long time ago. Anybody know any good NZ Minecraft? Oh, you probably have to ask the bros. I don't know. I just dig holes. Hold on, Whanau. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just straightening up the back of the pakati. So that's pretty much the process that we have to do right now. It's just straighten up everything, all three sides. D&D? Nah, they play D&D, bar. Nah, this it broke a long time ago. Like, before I even started streaming. I only watched Twitch at the time. And I remember finding Twitch for the first time, eh? Man, who did I watch the most? Probably Bajira. Bajira is one of the first streams I found. And I started looking around for people that like played well within our region. And that's when I came across Panda. But his name wasn't Panda at the time. But I finally caught a Zapdos. Better late than never, brother. I haven't even done a mega raid yet. Which section is the toughest to carve on? For this one, at the moment the toughest sections have been here. These two. How important is it to be a good drawer if you want to carve like you? It just helps, see. It just helps. Makes the process easier. And you'll get an easier understanding of your dimensions that you need to do. And how even you have to keep everything. Keep it up, bro. Love your work. Thank you, Henrik. Oh, 3Ks. Okay. How long does it normally take to make one of the pieces? It all depends. I've done a Mega Pidgeot raid, doesn't even give enough Mega Candy to get a Mega Evolution. Ratchet. Mega Pidgeot was one of my favourites from all like the normal ones. Here, Flicks of Doom from that Pokemon. I see there's a new Smash Bros character being released tomorrow. That's gonna be cute. Does anyone have a fair idea of who it might be? Why though? Cheer, bro. Yeah, my day's all good, brother. I might have to finish up earlier than usual today. I'm not sure yet. Mrs. Broxh just gave me the heads up because my niece is coming over. Have you ever done a Minecraft stream? No, brother, never. Oh, why though? Thank you for the sub, bro. You didn't have to though. Why though? Hey. Yeah, I think she's on the way. Her and her mum. Donald Duck for Super Smash. Who would I like to see? Who would everyone like to see in Smash? It'll be a hard one for me because, like, I'd like someone from WoW. But at the same time, I don't want it to be because they'll have a weapon, and I'm not a fan of sword characters. That's why I play Incineroar, just so I can clothesline everyone. That's the only reason why I like playing them. Give everyone the old arm. Do you like red pandas? Yeah. When I was young, like, that's my dream job that I wanted to do. Like, be a zookeeper but look after red pandas. Master Chief, yeah, he'd be pretty cool. Do you do streams for charity? Yeah, the last one I did was for Starship Hospital. I haven't done any at the moment. At the moment I'm just a bit busy. But I think my next one I want to do is for St. John's Ambulance. Because their funding got cut, eh? Feels bad, man. Chur Doodle Wong. Chur from H-Town. Good stuff, keep up the hard work, man. Chur Clutchy. Chur, brother. Okay, Ben. And I really love how relaxing the streamers. Chur. Yeah, chur, bro. I reckon Kubo from Kubo and the Two Strings would be dope and smash. Dude, that's your movie, eh, my bro? I think they'll... Yeah, he's only putting people from games in. I don't even know who I'd like to see in there next. Like, I would say, since they're in the Final Fantasy series as well, Red 15. I want to say Jict or Gladiolus, but they got weapons. You're unbelievably talented. Oh, thank you, Soggy Tetty. Yeah, I'm alright. Thanks for that though, brother. Hopefully get better soon. By any chance do you play chess? Nah, brother. The closest thing I've played to chess is Teamfight Tactics. Sorry, brother. And even that was bloody hard because I didn't even know what I was doing. Cade 6 on Destiny and Smash. Ooh. 14. Nah, if they put Saint 14 in that, he'll just be too good. Just walk up to people and headbutt them. If they have a Nova Bomb skill, don't let Jax play them, because you'll miss. TFT is so fun. I hope for... because I don't have enough money to buy DLCs. Ah, it's all good, brother. Have you ever played Skyrim? Yeah, bro. I don't think I have come across anyone that hasn't played Skyrim. I'll buzz out if I do. I mean, there's probably a few people here watching now that, like, haven't played it. Did you enjoy the Warcraft movie when it came out? Poupou. I'm gonna call you Mr. Poupou. Yeah, bro. Only the orc parts, though. The human ones were a bit... sections are a bit meh. Boring. Magni's voice actor sounded cool. You might want to head home, big man. Someone's attacked one of your garrisons. There we go. So about here at the moment, so we've got the rest of that to do. I could turn it around whānau, but I need this area here to hit from that angle. Are you excited for Shadowlands? Yeah, brother. As you play WoW, do you like TW Warhammer? Nah, I've never played any Warhammer games, brother. Sorry, my bro. How's your Anchorman and Nacho emote coming along, brother? It's Matatua tribal style, brother. So you could say it's my own. Yeah. Since it's pretty much my tribe. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh well, tribal boundaries. When your fantasy has ended, all the children are gone. Oh. Hold on, find it. Let's pop that one. That side. Gonna take these kids out for lunch, and I might jump in Discord and work on it after that. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, I'll jump in. I think I might have to. They should be here soon, like in the next maybe 40 minutes. My visitors, but we'll keep going till then if they do turn up. Ate some bugs. No, where Jose? So what we're doing, to anyone that might be new here, we're just like doing all these notches here within our spiral on the other side. So this particular design is called Hai Hai Pakati. Now the Hai Hai section of this entire design are the cuts you see here. Now Hai Hai, yeah, means to cut, or it is the number 12 chisel we use to do this. Cheer, Mr. Blunts. Yeah, it looks alrighty. As long as it's above average. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Are you into planting or gardening? Not really, but I just started a little garden with my baby. Just to teach her manakitanga, like looking after something. Everyone forgot about you. Oh, it's up to them if you're having a bit of a stab. For some fruit trees, yeah. So if we ever own our own home one day, yeah, I'm down for the fruit trees, eh? Feijoas, whoa, gotta love the feijoas, whānau. Fort FN, I'm guessing FN stands for Fortnite. Whoa. Oh, I thought you meant thought you were gonna go. Oh, good, bro. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Ikanasi Earl. Mister, thank you very much for the bits, man. Didn't have to, eh? Ah, the size of oranges. Ooh. What else? I'm all about the mandarins. I'm all about the apples too. I think those would be my 3 ideal, like, fruit trees. I have about 3 super peppers and 1 jalapeno. Oh, is that from your thing, brother? Okay, we're getting there. It's getting colder and colder. Yeah. Hoi Meona. Thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Can you set up donations? Nah, just send me a Zulian tiger and you're all good. That's worth more than money. I'm not saying anything. Piggyback AD carry. Yo, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. What's your favorite karaoke song? Poetic. Poetic. My favorite karaoke song would have to be what is it? Baby, come as you are, just your heart, and I'll take you in. You're my beauty and queen, and just your me. I think it's that song. You don't have to be a star, baby, just to be in my show. Ooh, lunch is ready. Hold on, I'll be a few seconds. Never get out of the wrong foot. Oh, you poor thing. Shame. Geez, that must be sore eating pop yet. That song was fire. Yeah, it's one of my favourite karaoke songs. I remember singing the Piss Drunker and I knew all the words. You don't have to be a star, baby. Yeah, she tried to have a sneaky bit of my lunch and then it went down the wrong way. Just to be in my show. Yeah, she had just had a water, but she's good now. She tried to eat a bit of the egg. And it was still a bit hot. I was like, oh, should have left it alone. No way, because that's mine. Oh, Anonymous. Thank you very much for the bits, Anonymous. You didn't have to. And Joe Jangles. Thank you to you as well, Joe Jangles, for the sub. Much appreciated, guys. Just remember, you use your money on you. Look after yourself first before subbing. I say, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. But my life, my love, and my lady is the sea. Oh, she's all good now. Hey, Sturdy Butter. Brandy wears a braided chain made of finest silver from the north of Spain. A locket that bears the name of a man that Brandy loves. You're extremely talented and so kind. Thank you for being you. Hey, Joe Jangles. Thank you. Appreciate the sub too. Even though you didn't have to. Okay, let's finish this row. Not much left to go. Now my life, my love, and my lady is the sea. I've adopted him as my cool uncle. Oh, good man. Yep, that went the wrong way. Jeez. And I gotta blow my nose. Much better. Much better. When you make a mistake, how do you fix it? You leave it there. They make mistakes, you make adjustments. How many years did it take you to master this? I'll tell you when I have, brother. Yeah, no, I haven't mastered this yet, my bro. I'm still a noob. It takes a number of years in contributing to the tribes of our people to get the title of master. It has to be given to you. You don't just claim it. Can I commission this? Not rockety, mate. I'll pay for it. Soul Funkadelic, thank you very much for gifting a sub, my man. Didn't have to. You make the same mistake 2 times to make it symmetrical. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, the old carvings that my ancestors did, none of them are exactly the same. They're a bit off, and they're still some of the meanest carvings we have, even if they're off. I think the teaching behind that is just don't focus on mistakes really, because it's going to take up your time. You just carry on, incorporate it into your carving or whatever, what you're doing. Boiling broccoli. Oh, I don't mind boiled broccoli, it's quite nice. It's not something I want to draw, but I guess so. I'll ask you for some emotes when your mahi's not too packed, brother. I don't want to be that guy. What do you do with the completed pieces? They don't stay with me, brother. They pretty much go. So I think someone's already interested in this piece. So if there's any meaning to your piece, so why I'm doing this is just for a bit of revision and just having fun. I'm not going to name it after any of my ancestors or any Maori ancestor in particular because it's going to be sold. Because it's not a good look selling your ancestor. And but what this particular form is, the Poupou, is kind of like the portraits we do for our ancestors that you can find inside our ancestral meeting houses. So you picture the main ancestor as the meeting house, and with all these different ancestors that come off his genealogy inside. So picture a meeting house as well as a giant family piece. Ooh, I just thought about that now. Showing love from Hawaii. Hope you have a blessed day. Chur Makai Warrior. Thank you, my Hawaiian cousin. Peace, Sam Low. Hey, man. Oh, you have beautiful hands. Ah, they're pretty rough, like crocodile skin rough, buddy. Thank you. I'll take it. You're my life, my love, my lady. Super Shiggy, hey, do you have your toast yet? No. Hello there, hello Super. How often do you sharpen your chisels? Like once every 3 weeks. So next week I'll probably have to sharpen them, so I might do a sharpening stream. Because usually it all depends on what type of wood I work with. So since this is quite soft, I only need to sharpen a few that I've used on it. But I might clean some up too. Which reminds me I have to take a few chisels back. How often? Oh. Hello from Peru. Hello, Aphrodite. Yeah, all good, Maya. I seen Thunder's thing. Yeah, I might have to bank it soon because my niece is almost here. And I hope she's awake because I want to give her the biggest hug in NZ. I must have been cool about a million years. I love her when I leave your love. 'Cause you're fall around and fell in love. You're a fall around and fell in love. Because I wondered if you were going to eat fairy bread. I love rainbow sprinkles. Oh, nice. It's just a little quote from Nacho Libre. Do you like classical music? I only go as far as opera. If I could listen to Pavarotti right now, I would be. Are you a Stephen Adams fan? Hell yeah, I'm a Stephen Adams fan. He's from here. Have to be. Got to show support for like anyone that's come from the country that's forging their way and their path outside of the country, be it internationally, if that makes sense. So Unknown, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, man. Do you live on the North Island? Yes. How often do you sharpen your chisels? Like 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks. I've done it most of the time off stream though, but I better start doing it on stream since it can just be a nice, just chatting, chill stream. Might take a while because I got a few, but yeah. If yous are down, I did it for Maori Language Week. And that's that row done. So we only got one more, or two more on this side. Hey, no lace. Where's the PM? Doing PM stuff, I guess. Do you have a place where people can send you fan mail? I found some Charizard cards in my room. I don't have a PO box, brother. For reason why is because people will use money just to send stuff here. You keep your Charizard cards for you, man. Put them in a sleeve them up, PSA them, and they might make you a lot of money one day. You, not me. Thanks though, brother. I'll have the thought though, as the gift. Sleeve them up, brother, and make bank for you, not me. The only thing I will accept is a Zulian tiger. I think that'll be like the saying here. You're having a wonderful evening, Kanada warrior. Thank you, brother. But how about an internet hug in the weird times? Oh, all good, lane survivor. Cheer, brother. Keep forgetting it's school holidays. Not for my daughter though, her daycare. They go right through the whole year, or other than Christmas holidays. That's an exception. Okay. Hey, chill, my bro. I get paid to lose. I wanna win. Yeah, I've never left the North Island, bro. I've never been travelling internationally or even over to Australia. So, yeah. I'm pretty normie. There you go. Hughesy, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, my bro. Cut off from over the ditch. Hey, cheer, brother. Get that corn out of my face. I look like a fool last night. You're crazy. How's the stream going? Yeah, you're good, my bro. Kick back, yes. Might have to finish up soon because my niece is almost here. I haven't seen her in a month. I miss her dearly. She's the one that was born on the same day as my daughter. Jeepa04 Z Joburg, thank you guys for the subs. You did not have to though, but much appreciated. Okay, we might try and get this road done, eh? And then we'll see where we are from there. Would you like to go to Egypt? There's some places I would like to go. So first of all, I want to go to Melbourne, just to a PAX, and I want to meet Fanta and the Simone, because man, he's got some good food, eh? And Anonymous Cheerer, thank you very much for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Thank you. Working on a permanent holiday. Come over to Iceland. Yeah, that's definitely one place I would like to check out. Nah, all good, bro. Yeah, get that mahi in my boat. All good. Help the whānau. Fella saying sorry. What out of it, fella. All good, my bro. Have a good day. Okay, let's pop these buggers out, eh? Sending love from the... Oh, from Dubai. Hey. Good day, brother. Hope you're well, man. I am, brother. I am. Thank you for asking. One rifle. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to though, brother, but much appreciated. Choo choo, my bro. Have a good one. So I might be making a few moves this month too, finally. So be on the lookout for what I might be doing. Howdy from Filipino living in Seattle. Hey, brother. Kia ora, Himajin. How are you, my bro? He's our real teacher here. I need to hurry up and get in on these classes, man. So I can, what is it? Trilingual. 3 different languages. Hold on, find it. Is this a Final Fantasy X trick? It most definitely is, brother. Hey man, you're such an inspiration. I love your work. Thank you, Bush D'Reilly. Running on fumes due to the work this week, but your streams always help. Too, brother. Yeah, I know those feelings. Feel like hound. Temps empty, bro. Okay. So we've got to hit them one by one, finally. Unfortunately. The grain is quite tricky over here. But it's alright. Oh, jeez, if you were to perish from Earth in a month, what would you do? Where would you go? Nowhere, to stay with my family. But, I'm not in a hurry to do that. Gee, McLovin. Eee. Oh, thank you, Vandicons. You're a good boy. Okay, let's do this. Let's pop these buggers out. Man, the grain's a bit of a dick over here. Oh, thank you, McLovin, for the sub, man. The resub. You didn't have to, though, brother. Jeez. Much appreciated, Bill. I'm just trying to do them as fast and as properly as I can, whānau, just so I can at least get good progress in today before my darling niece turns up. Must be a glitch then. What's that, bro? Oh, an anonymous cheerer. Thank you very much. Stick your tongue out for the camera. Yeah, because that's not weird at all. Thank you, Anonymous, for the bits, man. You didn't have to, but thank you. Hangi stream went when I find a piece of ground that won't cave in from a geyser when I dig into it. Or if I own my own spit of land where I can do it. Because I can't do it here. Get kicked out of our house that we're renting. Okay. Hey brother, good to see. Good to be back. Oh, true the nowhere kid. Hey brother. Have a good dinner, cheesecake too, bro. Yeah, I have toys that hang out that kick back in the stream just behind me. I remember when I streamed one day for the first time, like ages ago, and I was streaming and I had the camera down and they were up here. And I turned back and oh, chill, bro, up to. Miss Ree, hey, kia ora. Ree, thank you very much. You didn't have to do it. Nah, it's a tui lawnmower. Kirirus don't come into town. They usually hang out in the taua trees. Thank you for the resub. You didn't have to, but no, mihi. Yeah, doggo went pretty hard, eh? That caught me off guard big time. Not gonna lie, I was freaking out a bit. I mean, how can you not? Yeah, Alpha. Had to turn it into an emote. Yeah, Kobe. It was given to me by Red Bull New Zealand. The only thing is I just have to have it on the stream, so I don't mind. It's all good. Just cut these off. Kia pai ai te haere o ngā mahi. Hold on, whānau. Just holding it tight so it doesn't slip off. And cut the high-highs. E miharo koe taku hia me noho tata koe kia pai e taku whakamoimiti ki o mahi tino rangatira miharo hoki ki te mātakitaki. Tēnā koe Vandy Cons mō enei kupu. Ai, kei te pai engari, ko te mea nui te pai ki a koe te mātaki e nei mahi. Thank you, Anonymous Cheerer, for the bits. You didn't have to. But ngā mihi. Thank you, guys. Hey bro, greetings from Utah. Chur Beast Mode. Much appreciated, brother. Yeah, Utah Jazz. Hola Rodriguez. Thank you for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, my bro. Broxh, did you say before you've been to... Nah, I've never been to a PAX Melbourne. I would love to go to one. I'd love to go to one day, maybe once COVID's gone, because I ain't going anywhere while it's still here. It's just too much, eh? Not worth the risk, especially when I have a family. Would you ever consider working with grinding gear games or something Poe related? Maybe. Just a matter of reaching out. But yeah, that can be something for the future. I mean, I bet they'll be really busy right now. With their game, because I hear it's they got a new league on, so everyone's pumping the game. I think the only Poe stream I've watched is people playing Poe is Quinn and Dave Greco. I haven't watched anyone else. Okay, that's enough Final Fantasy. Have you ever looked at wood carving kits on Amazon? Nah, no, never. Most of my tools I got here from a place called Carbotech. Go pop. Where can we buy these? I don't have a shop at all, brother, and this one's pretty much gone. The way I do things, bros, I don't like to do shops. Just talk to the people, make connections. That's way better than being a robot. But my commission list is full too, bro. I only take 5 at a time. Once I finish those 5, then I'm going to do something for myself for the first time. Maybe another fun piece. But I have to go and see the wood recycling centre man but tomorrow. So I can get started on JT's piece as soon as possible. It will be good. Berserker Bear, yo, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Nice name. Much appreciated, brother. Just remember, when the resub comes up, look after yourself first, see? What, if you had a TV show? Nah, I don't want a TV show, man. Tangi no. Okay, let's pop these out. The panels are kind of confusing. It's alright, bro. I mean, mouth, nose, eye. There's a start for you. That's a neck. I'll be definitely resubbing next month. Yeah, make sure you look after yourself too, please, brother. Our parents had Bob Marley, we have Broxh stream. Oh, I grew up with Bob Marley's music too. Valcrocian, thank you very much for the sub, man. I hope I said your name right. You didn't have to though, but thank you. Here it is. What kind of wood do you like to use? All men of native timber from New Zealand. Pretty much. Use my Prime, hope it helps. Thanks, brother. Really appreciate it. You didn't have to, though. But thank you, man. Softwood, sort of. So Cody is soft to medium kind of wood. So yeah, it's soft, but it can still like put nicks in your chisels, eh? Do you enjoy playing Karaoke? Oh, I haven't played that since I was a kid, eh? That's the last time I played Karaoke. Just noticed someone gifted me a sub. Lord, it probably might have been Doggo, brother. He dropped about 100 subs on the bird chest, as Seas would say. Blake DiBella, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, brother. No te toe ngā rangi Tuae Kita tanga o te atua ke Ariki nui Oi. Day 2 I made it. Yo, Chur Whanau talks. So glad to be here. Welcome, Jade. And Damien Perez, thank you for the 1 bit, man. You did not have to, though. Oh, Mekai. Kui pi mia e koro I re mua te atawhari ki e tangi atu ana ki o kura kwariro ki te po ora wa e hika te mama e te aroha e noa nei te mana wa e oh, come on, brother. Holy cow. Not the fondler looking for. Gifted 5 subs. Holy cow. And then Sky do, like the positive vibes here. Keep up the hard work. Ah, thanks for the bits, man. Just remember to hold on to your money just to help you, brother. Then Metadocs. Bloody hell, brothers. Jeez, I was vibing and then I seen it and holy hell. Thank you, bros. You didn't have to, though. Your well-being is more important too, so you better save your money. Well, thank you, brothers. What's the best snack to have between carving sessions? Oh, I wouldn't have a clue. Anything really? Whatever gets you full. And does it make you feel heavy that you're gonna, that you won't carve? Because you'll feel too bloated. It's neither a job or a hobby, it's a passion. I don't call it a job or a hobby, never has felt like that to me, brother, if that makes sense. Arua mako, lairunga, lairaro. There it is. Just caught that one. Stand them up, see what it looks like. Tangi ai e kui kia koe ki te moko yeah, not looking too bad. What do you reckon, chat? So we did that spiral and this line here, so we've got to do that one and fix up a few in there. These high highs can be cut better too, so I might do some of that. Either, if I have time tomorrow, I'll jump on. Was it cold in NZ? A little bit. I just wear this just in case so I don't get sick. Looking damn fine. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, eh? So there's a few sections we have to work on. But yeah, other than that, it's looking quite good. What do you reckon? Hey Jiggy, shall we host you? I'll raid you, you're on. What do you reckon, guys? Shall we host Jiggy? I'll raid. Should we raid Jiggy today, Whanau? Yeah, it's not looking too bad, alright. Yeah, bro. Okay, Whanau, so this is all we're gonna do. You're gonna say this and... Oh no, just go and then go. Chur, Jiggy. We're raiding you, Jiggy. So that's gonna be us for today, Whanau. So I'll just put him down.